Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Tuesday. This is 7th day of July after the holiday break and all that. Um, let's get right into the charts. Again, subscribe to the newsletter. I wrote about some interesting stuff this weekend, cryptocurrencies and uh, some of the seasonalities coming in and so forth. Let's get right into the chart. So we were having, the same situation here with let's start with the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ is selling off today due to, the usual rotation. You've got semiconductor stocks pulling back. That in turn is causing some of the software names to rally. We got energy rallying today. Here at TTS, we are long LNG, we're long ServiceNow. We're actually doing quite well with those. If you want some information on what we're doing, uh, just tag me here. Go to support at transparenttradesolutions.com. I can answer any questions you have about the specifics. But here's where we're at. I'm doing this again about an hour, a little over an hour before the close. And looks like this is going to be real critical to see if we can hold the NASDAQ in the NASDAQ futures here at 29,200 level. The S&P is basically churning. Not much going on because it got, again, all the rotation under the surface. So it's not really moving a lot on the S&P. One thing to keep an eye on is the Russell. The Russell could be setting up for a break here. If it can break below this 2950, I think it probably visits 2820. So keep an eye on that. The rates are not really moving a whole lot, not much to talk about there. They've just hovering around this. They're trying to edge a little bit higher. I think if they maybe come up above 450, that could be could raise some eyebrows. Also, the dollar just churning right here. That again will impact gold. I've been talking about this. I wrote about this. If in fact the dollar breaks out, gold probably goes a lot lower. Watch that carefully. Oil, because of the renewed tensions in the Middle East, is moving higher. Incidentally, the level it's coming from is this level here, which is the rollover level from the continuous contract. You can see it literally just went right to that level. And the next point is going to be if it breaks above 71, this other gap here is going to be in play, this 84. Wouldn't surprise me if we get up there. You're going to say, well, I thought the war was over. Well, apparently it's not over yet. So we'll see how that goes. Also of note in the commodities market, huge rally in soybeans because of the weather. I think it's weather related, seasonality, and so forth. Um, the ones that are more interesting would be soybeans if they can get up to the 1240 level, and then corn also looks like it's headed to 5 a bushel. Obviously, it's already had a pretty good run. This is going to be interesting right around this. The corn's got room up to like 5 a bushel. We'll see. Also, with regard to top individual stocks, we've got NVIDIA consolidating between 190 and 200. If it breaks above 200, that could be leading the index higher. On the same token, we've got these semiconductor stocks. Looks like they got a lot more room to go to the downside, correcting these parabolic moves they've had. So all in all, it's going to be obviously an interesting end of the week. We have Fed minutes tomorrow. A lot of this is basically just day-to-day rotation. Any day you come in, you can see all the semiconductors, the memory stocks are up, software's down, vice versa. When that's going to change, who knows? It's going to be interesting. in any event, again, sign up for the newsletter. Give me a thumbs up. I will be doing a class probably in the next couple of weeks. Look out for that. Have a great rest of your week. Take care.